Ever wondered what makes Hyderabad special? This city, nestled in the heart of India, is a mesmerizing blend of old and new. It's an enchanting realm where the echoes of a rich history harmoniously blend with the thriving pulse of the information technology industry. Hyderabad is a city of contrasts where narrow, bustling bazaars exist alongside sprawling tech parks and ancient palaces share the skyline with towering skyscrapers. This city radiates a unique culture, steeped in tradition, yet embracing modernity with open arms. In this video, we will take you through the soul of Hyderabad, exploring the majestic Charminar, the historic Golconda Fort, the serene Hussain Saga, the entertaining Ramoji Film City, and last but not least, the mouth-watering biryani joints that dot the cityscape. Each location is a testament to the city's vibrant tapestry of cultures, traditions, and flavors. So buckle up, it's time to embark on a virtual journey through the city of Nizams. Our first stop is the iconic Charminar. Rising majestically in the heart of Hyderabad, the Charminar is a testament to the city's rich history and architectural grandeur. Built in the late 16th century by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, it stands as a symbol of the city's resilience and enduring charm. The Charminar's 4 minarets, each standing 85 feet tall, are a sight to behold. Intricate carvings embellish the monument, reflecting the exquisite craftsmanship of the era. With 45 prayer spaces and a mosque, it's not just an architectural marvel, but a spiritual haven. Around the Charminar, you'll find bustling bazaars that have stood the test of time. The Lad Bazaar, famous for its pearls and bangles, is a riot of colors and a shopper's delight. The street food around Charminar, with mouth-watering delicacies like biryani and halim, is a gastronomic adventure that tantalizes your taste buds. From the heights of Charminar, we now descend into the depths of history at Golconda Fort. Welcome to the Golconda Fort, a testament to Hyderabad's historic past. Standing tall since the 16th century, this architectural marvel whispers tales of the Qutb Shahi dynasty. The fort, spread over an area of 3 square kilometers, is renowned for its ingenious defense mechanism. One of the fascinating features is its unique acoustic system. This marvel of engineering allows a hand clap at the entrance to reverberate and be heard clearly at the highest point, almost a kilometer away. This was used as a warning system in the bygone era, signaling the inhabitants of impending danger. As the sun sets, the fort transforms into a spectacular display of lights and sounds. The show narrates the saga of the fort, its rulers, and the city, bringing the stone walls to life and casting a spell on its audience. From the echoes of the past, we now move to the tranquility of Hussain Sagar, a man-made lake, is our next destination. This tranquil oasis, nestled in the heart of bustling Hyderabad, is a testament to the city's ability to balance urban life with serene natural beauty. The lake is named after Hussain Shah Wali, who designed it in the 16th century to meet the city's water and irrigation needs. It's not just a lake, it's a piece of history. In the center of the lake stands a monolithic statue of Lord Buddha. Towering at 58 feet, it's a symbol of peace and harmony, a sight that leaves you in awe. The statue, illuminated at night, is a vision of tranquility amidst the churning waters. The lake is not just for sightseeing, it's a hub of leisure activities. You can take a romantic boat ride, enjoy a picnic on the shores, or just sit back and admire the city's skyline reflecting off the calm waters. Leaving the calm waters behind, we now step into the world of movies at Ramoji Film City. Ramoji Film City, the world's largest film studio complex, is a must-visit in Hyderabad. Stretching over 2,000 acres, this cinematic wonderland offers a peek into the enchanting world of films. As we stroll through the extensive sets, we can't help but marvel at the grandeur of the replicas of popular movie sets, each telling a unique story. The film city isn't just about the sets, though. It houses an amusement park as well, brimming with thrilling rides and games that keep the adrenaline pumping. But the real charm lies in the live shows. From dance performances to stunt shows, it's a spectacle that leaves everyone spellbound. Here, you can experience the magic of movie making, be it the behind-the-scenes action or the post-production wizardry. It's a place where fiction meets reality, and dreams morph into tangible sets. After a day of fun and excitement, it's time to satiate our hunger with some authentic Hyderabadi biryani. No visit to Hyderabad is complete without tasting its world-famous biryani. The Hyderabadi biryani is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of flavors, a symphony of spices, and a testament to the city's culinary prowess. It's a dish that's steeped in history, culture, and tradition, and one that's loved by locals and tourists alike. The Hyderabadi biryani is unique in its preparation and taste. Cooked in the traditional dum style, it involves layering partially cooked rice with marinated meat, and then sealing the handi or pot with dough to trap the steam. This method infuses the rice with the meat's flavors, resulting in a biryani that's aromatic, flavorful, and incredibly delicious. The final dish is a medley of tender meat, fluffy rice, and aromatic spices, each bite bursting with flavors that are distinct yet harmoniously blended. While the city boasts various eateries serving this delectable dish, some places have carved a niche for themselves with their exceptional biryani. Paradise, for instance, is a name synonymous with biryani in Hyderabad. Their biryani is renowned for its perfect balance of flavors and generous portions. Then there's Bawachi, another local favorite, known for its distinct taste and the variety of biryanis it offers. The importance of biryani in Hyderabadi culture cannot be overstated. It's not just a dish served at meals, but an integral part of festivals, celebrations, and gatherings. Be it a wedding, a religious celebration, or a casual get-together, biryani is invariably on the menu, adding to the joy and festivity. The Hyderabadi biryani is not just a culinary delight. It's an experience, a journey of flavors that takes you through the city's rich history and vibrant culture. It's a dish that invites you to dig in, to savor, to celebrate. It's a dish that leaves you wanting more, that makes you fall in love with the city, its people, and its food. With a belly full of biryani, we come to the end of our journey. Hyderabad, with its rich history, modern charm, and delicious food, truly is a city like no other.